Hey, gang, welcome back to the Street Dragon channel. How are you? May you be healthy and full of enthusiasm. This time, we will take a deep dive into one of the coolest and most luxurious SUVs that will be available in 2025. Yup, the Mercedes G500 Manufaktur. Don't go anywhere because this video will blow your mind. Super cool exterior design. G500 Manufaktur remains with its legendary box design, but this time with a modern twist that makes the appearance even more impressive. The large grille with the sparkling 3-star logo makes this car even more classy. The new LED headlights make this car not only look futuristic, but also really charming. What makes the G500 Manufaktur super exclusive is the choice of paint colors that are only available on this model. The choice is high gloss or matte, and I'll make this car the center of attention on the road. 20-inch alloy wheels with the latest design make the G500 look even more dashing and sporty. Machine performance that makes your adrenaline rise. It's not just about looks. The Manufaktur G500 also has performance that makes you excited. The 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine can produce 416 horsepower of power and 610 Nm of torque. With a super smooth 9G-tronic automatic transmission, as well as a 4-wheel drive system for MATIC, this car is ready to traverse any terrain smoothly. Adaptive suspension and advanced off-road features make the Manufaktur G500 a king in all conditions, both on city streets and on rough terrain. Adjustable driving modes allow you to switch from comfort mode for relaxing trips to sport mode for speeding. Advanced technology and security features. Mercedes doesn't play around when it comes to safety. The Manufaktur G500 is equipped with various advanced safety features, such as active brake assist, attention assist, and a 360-degree camera system, which makes parking easy. The Distronic Plus feature with steering assist will also help you maintain a safe distance and stay on track. So, the 2025 Mercedes G500 Manufaktur is an SUV that perfectly combines luxury, power and technology. Every detail is designed to provide a super luxurious and satisfying driving experience. If you are looking for an SUV that is tough and offers unrivaled luxury, the G500 Manufaktur is a choice you shouldn't miss. Okay, that's our review this time. Don't forget to write your questions in the comments column, and stay tuned for other cool videos. See you in the next video.